Mulch plays such a critical part in keeping your soil warm during the winter months and retains water during the hot summer months. It also stops weeds from germinating, so instead of filling your bags with leaves, dive into your potting shed and bring out your cordless electric blower to make the most of what nature gives you. Thank goodness the battery-operated versions of these cordless wonders are decibels away from the noisy, petrol-operated cousins. I no longer need to worry about, have I got the fuel? Is it ready for me? Am I going to battle to start this guy? Absolutely not. Simply pop the battery out of its charging station, straight in it goes, and I am good to rock and roll. From cleaning leaves and plant cuttings off my lawn to ensuring a gravel-only driveway, the rechargeable battery system allows for a quick fix or an afternoon of mulch gathering fun. Get them into corners where you can then put them into bags, most importantly, straight onto the compost heap or directly into the garden beds, which then act as a natural mulch.